How to get free stuff on Temu without inviting. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn if it's possible or not to earn the free gifts and credits of Temu without inviting your friends. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up your Temu application from your device and get logged into your Temu account. From here, tap on Use section on your bottom bar. Then tap on the option that says On Credits and Free Gifts. You will see a lot of different gifts. Tap on any one of them. Now you have the option to choose various gifts. And once you collect all your gifts, as you can see that there is only one way to get that gift. That is by inviting your friends. So you can also use this invitation multiple times. So go ahead and tap on Invite Friends to get energy. And that is how you can get free stuff on Temu. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.